Hi, I'm Steve, head gardener here at David Austin Roses, and we're just in the Chelsea house this morning, just having a look at how the roses are coming on for Chelsea. We grow them in the greenhouse so we can force them to be in flower and ready for our Chelsea flower garden. We've got some lovely shrub roses here that are coming along quite nicely. So the foliage is starting to develop on this rose, and I can check just at the top of the stem to see if a bud is starting to form, and there isn't at the moment. We've got some nice standard roses here, around about 40. We'll hopefully have at least 25 to 30 of those ready for the show. We've got a great selection of obelisks here for this year. You can see here the climbing roses are coming along really well. We lie the climbing roses down to encourage shooting from lower down at the base of the plant, so we get plenty of foliage and plenty of flowers for the show. We've got our rambling roses here, which are laid down. We grow these in pairs, so we create a half arch, and then we can put the arch together once we get to the show. Plenty of nice new growth and plenty of shoots from lower down, which will produce flowers all the way along the arch. So we also have a selection of the traditional old roses, and looking at these today, they're a little bit behind compared with some of the English roses, so we may have to push them on with a little bit of heat in the next few weeks. So we've got our two new rose varieties here for this year to display at Chelsea Flower Show. So this one with the red foliage is Silas Marner, and moving along just up here to our second new introduction for 2020, the Country Parson. You can see it's got a lovely grey-green foliage, lots of thorns on the stem showing its Scottish heritage, and by the time we come round to Chelsea we shall have some beautiful yellow roses on this variety. So this is the polytunnel where we grow the hedging for Chelsea Flower Show. It's coming along quite nicely, starting to shoot away well. I'm just going to check to see whether we need to water any of this, and no, it's quite nice and heavy. This will be a lush green hedge ready for Chelsea Flower Show come May.